So with this series of subtractions, you can see what happens when we subtract negative numbers. So I've started off by doing 5 take away 4 is 1. Now as you can see, next one I'm doing 5 take away 3, and I get the answer of 2. So as I take away a less positive number from 5, my answers are getting bigger and bigger. So for example here, 5 take away 0 is equal to 5. 0 is a less positive number than 1. So 5 take away 1 is 4. So by just looking at the pattern, you can see it just keeps going up by 1 as this number keeps going down by 1. So here we know the answer is going to go up by 1. So 5 take away 0 is 5. So what's 1 less than 0? 1 less than 0 is negative 1. So 5 take away negative 1, maybe I should put that in a bracket like that, is equal to 6. And 5 take away negative 2 is equal to 7. And 5 take away negative 3 is equal to 8. And 5 take away negative 4 is equal to 9. So what some students like to do is when they see a situation like this, say 5 take away negative 6, they like to see as 5 plus 6. So when they see two negatives side by side like this, they see it as a plus. So 5 add 6 is equal to 11. And 5 take away negative 6 is also 11. Because if we continue our pattern from there, 5 take away negative 5 is equal to 10, and 5 take away negative 6 is equal to 11. So as you can see, students like to think of 5 take away negative 1 as 5 add 1 is equal to 6, 5 take away negative 2 as 5 add 2 is equal to 7, 5 take away negative 3 as 5 add 3 is equal to 8, and 5 take away negative 4 as 5 add 4 is equal to 9. So another way to look at it is using the number line. Because I'm starting off at 5, the man is standing at 5, and because the operation is take away, he's going to face that way, and then because it says 4, he's going to go 4 steps in that direction. So he's going to turn around first. Because of the negative, he's going to face that way. So because of the negative, he's now facing in the left direction. And then because it just says 4, positive 4, he's going to go 4 steps forward in that direction. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So he'll end up at 1, like so. So using the number line, 5 take away 4 is equal to 1. I'm going to start with some easy examples, and then we'll move on to more difficult ones. As you can see in this example, the man starts at 5, so he's standing at 5, and then because I can see a takeaway, the man's going to face this way. So he's now facing the left because of this negative, and then because there's a positive number here, 5 take away positive 3, he's going to take 3 steps forward. 1, 2, 3. So he'll in fact end up at 2. But as you can see, he ends up at 2. So 5 take away positive 3 is equal to 2. So what do we do in this situation where it's 5 take away negative 1? We know the answer is 6, but just to use the number line, so I like to actually think of it as 5 take away negative 1 in bracket is equal to 6. So the man standing at 5, because the first number is 5, then because of the takeaway, he will face the left. So he's facing the left, and because it says negative 1, he's actually going to walk backwards by 1, and he'll end up at 6, like so. So in fact, 5 take away -1 is equal to 6. And remember, some people like to think of it as, because there's two negatives side by side here, they like to think of it as 5 add 1 is equal to 6. So in this example, we're starting for 5. Because of the takeaway sign, we're going to face that way, like so. And then because I can see it's -2, so I like to write it like this: 5 take away -2. The man's going to walk backwards by 2 steps, so 1, 2, and in fact he'll end up at 7, like so. So 5 take away -2 is equal to 7. Remember, because of the two negatives like that side by side, some people like to think of it as 5 add 2 is equal to 7. So if we're doing 5 take away -4, so let's write it down like that: 5 take away -4. We know the answer is 9, but use the number line. As you can see, because we're starting off at 5, the man is standing at 5, and then because of the first takeaway sign, the negative, the operation of takeaway, the man's going to face the left, so he's going to turn to the left, like so. And then because of the -4, he's going to walk 4 steps backwards: 1, 2, 3, and 4. So he will end up at 9, like this. So that shows that 5 take away -4 is equal to 9. And some people like to think, because the two negatives are side by side, they like to think as 5 add 4 is equal to 9.